Welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. Today marks my day 52 of video journaling, and yeah, I continue my book reading today with the Dango Investor. And yeah, I was able to read 70 pages today. My intention was actually to finish the book, but I don't know if it's because of the Ramadan fasting period, but I was just not able to. After reading for 2 hours, it was like my brain I cannot take it anymore. So I just had to leave it. Then tomorrow I'll finish it, or this night. I'm not even sure I'll be able to complete it this evening, but tomorrow at least I'm 100% certain that I'll be able to finish it no matter what happens. So yeah, so today we just talk more or less on the concept of the low risk investments opportunity that brings about higher return of investment. So yeah, we just talk more on that, and he also talks about the principle that Warren Buffett used. He mentioned this other, I think it's Greensberg, the author of How to Make Money in the Stock Market. I mean, how to also beat the stock market. I think that's the name of the book. And yeah, just more of those concepts of low risk investment opportunities that provide exponential return, and you don't always have to have high risk investment high risk investment for you to have a high return on your money. So yeah, that's what I learned more of today. And after that, time to talk about my trading. So yesterday I was talking about the long opportunity that might come in again on gold, and the funny thing about this was that when I was recording my video yesterday, that was the time that gold hit my first entry. And the reason why I missed it was because I on my airplane mode so that I won't get disturbed while shooting the video record. So yeah, I missed my first entry, which was around 4,994. Yeah, that was my first entry. I wanted to put a trigger entry, but I was like, I don't actually like putting a trigger entry. I like seeing it and like attacking it at the zone. But because I wasn't expecting to go down that fast to my entry, I was expecting that to come down slowly, and I'll be able to pick it up probably on a 1 hour close or something like that. But it happened so fast, and today I got an entry around 5,047, I think. Maybe 5,140. Is it 5,147? I think it's 5,147, which is kind of painful. So I think I don't even getting this right. I think my entry was around 4,000. Okay, my first entry was around 5,093, I think. Yes, 5,093, not 4,000, 5,093. That was how I was supposed to get my first entry at, and I wasn't able to get into that because I was shooting a video journal. And the second entry was around 5,144, I think, or 43. So my second entry was almost 50 pips. I think it was actually 50 pips. Yeah, 50 pips above my first entry. And at that time, I could have used my lot size of 0.08 to enter the position. But because the trade went up, and for me to actually cover the risks, according to my strategy, was kind of bigger, I was not able to use lot size to take the. I had to use leverage. So I went to the trade with 20x leverage. And at that time, I think my risk was around $14 or $16. If I had used lot size to take it to it, would have been around $50 something, which would have taken my account to a whole new level I did not want to experience right now. I think it's only $50 or $60 loss. So with leverage, I was able to reduce my risk to around $16. Then after it went up, then had a pullback, then another bought in again. I increased my leverage to 40x, from 20 to 40x, which brings out more capital, since meaning I'm using less money to take in that position. I entered the position again, so I doubled down the position, and now my risk is around $20. So yeah, the position is alright now. I like what I'm saying, but at the same time, I'm not so optimistic because good always find a way to mess me up. I don't know, for like my past 3-4 trade on good have not been that good. So I'm not really optimistic on the position. So if I see rejection right now, I'll be taking my position out and being on the sideline. So yeah, I actually tapped $100 today, and funny enough, the moment the portfolio hit $100, from that point we started going back for that reversal. So I screenshotted it. I was like, there was this saying that whenever you screenshot a trade, that was the best time to close the position and go again later. But I just say, let me just screenshot, let me just see it. First time my account top $100 this year. So now it's actually floating, so it didn't close below, but it's still something because I've tapped before I actually close above 40. I've tapped 40 multiple times. Before I close above 70, I have tapped 70 multiple times. So this is my first time tapping 100. So if goals go well, I will actually close above my target of 100 and actually go above 200 because of the way I double down on the current position. But if good tries to show a rejection that's not going to break, I'm just going to move my stop loss immediately to break even point, and regardless of what happened, I'll be good for this week. So yeah, that's how I'm looking to my trade this week. There's not much happening. Like I had the opportunity to pound CHF, like it showed me a short opportunity, but when I checked the amount I was able to move from my unified account to TradeFi on Bybit, it showed me $6 because good has not moved yet, so I didn't have capital that could move to take the trade. So I just left that trade alone. I think right now it's currently down like 10 pips, but the position does not look like it's gonna do much. It might still break out, but it's currently at the resistance zone, and that would be the best time to short it right now. But if the bulls are really serious, they could really break above and turn this accumulation to a breakout of this downward price action that has been happening for a while now. So yeah, so that's that for my daily journal today. Thank you all for listening. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.